Just walking back down the same direction.
Little different route.
Yeah.
Again, unfortunately, we can't get to the other side of the park. There's a lot of damage and danger over there in terms of power lines, so don't want to obviously go over there. A lot of people out right now just kind of surveying and kind of, dazed and confused.
It's a pretty close-knit little community here.
So right back here, these poor people got walloped here. Right behind Mrs. Howard's house. And I know right back here we can go real quickly. This is safe in terms of no wires here. Sorry. You go ahead, lead the way. No explanation for this. Roof torn off from.
Okay, the camera's getting out.
Yeah, keep going.
Why are they going into people's yards?
No, we're fine. We were already here before.
I haven't been here.
No, I'm talking. I was here with Danny. It's fine. Over here. Complete destruction over here.
You see power lines down there, it looks like. Possibly over there. Oh yeah, you can see the power lines down.
Yeah.
And that tree.
Yeah.
So we're not going to get any closer to this.
That's another power line, telephone pole knocked out. This way, head back towards the house. This is Howard's place. Guy I met, very older gentleman with his wife who's handicapped, and they just did a new roof and they lost their roof. It's gone. They got a little part of it over here, but the rest of it's been stripped. Blown to parts unknown. Howard doesn't even know where part of it went.
Oh, here comes the fire department.
Yeah. Basically, this is a war zone. So it's like we got hit with a bomb of some kind. Surreal, shocking, and don't think it's going to happen.
Stuff up in that tree over there. Damage to that roof there. Looks like they'd already tarped it. Oh, hello.
Hey there. Yeah.
Another. You can see that.
Morning.
Is this your wife?
Hey, yeah,
Honored to meet
Becky.
you.
This is
Hi.
This
Hi.
is Danny.
It's nice
Hi,
to meet you.
Danny.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So how'd you fare this thing?
I think
man.
we came out okay.
Yeah.
We got.
You see the power line down there. I don't know how I feel about walking into that. Looks like they've already tarped their roof.
They did. They were
Thank goodness.
actually out. Yeah, they lost their roof. Actually, and ironically, right after they were out there. Howard was telling me they were up there right immediately to put a tarp on their roof.
Thank God. Hopefully, none of their furniture is too badly damaged.
That's probably their roof. Remember, when
Yes.
we just filmed right there,
Yeah.
right here?
Yes.
That's their roof. That's what
Yeah.
came off.
I know. My battery's dead.
Yeah.